এই পাশে রাখো, এই পাশে।
এদিক দিয়ে আছে, এদিক দিয়ে আছে। চলে এসছে।
বলছি মীনাক্ষী, মীনাক্ষী সবাই বসে যাও, একটু সবাই বসে যাই, বসে যাও। স্যার উপরে চলে, উপরে চলে
because we are already late. हाँ सर सर बिल किया सर मैडम यहाँ पे आइए, मैडम जाइए। मैडम दूसरा पता है
বসতে বললে বলবে, বসে
बैठ जाइए आप लोग कैमरा बैठिए बैठिए सर কেমন আছেন আপনি? ভালো আছেন? ভালো লাগলো।
এটা ফিরিয়ে দাও বললাম না, ফিরিয়ে দাও, ভালো হবে। হ্যাঁ দাও আরে সবাইকে বসতে বলো,
আপনারা বসে যান, আপনারা সবাই বসে যান। এই তোমরা সামনে চলে এসো, তোমরা ফার্স্ট রোতে নিয়ে এসো।
আচ্ছা জি, আচ্ছা
Good morning all. A warm welcome to all of you. Today we have all assembled here for the ceremonial delivery of the bank's sponsored vehicle to Vidyasagar University. We are extremely happy to announce that we have amongst us several dignitaries from UCO Bank and Vidyasagar University gracing the occasion. I am very happy to take this opportunity to call Lopa Chaudhary. Please come up on stage and give the flower bouquet to Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty. On behalf of UCO Bank Hubli-Zone, it is a matter of great pride. It is a matter of great pride for us that our Honorable MD and CEO sir is amongst us today. So I'll call Sujata Kumari, branch head of Midnapur branch, to come up here and present the bouquet to sir. Next I would call Anvesha Mitra, branch head of Kharida Bazaar branch. Please come up here and present the bouquet to Sri Jayanta Kishore Nandi, the Registrar of Vidyasagar University. Mins from Vidyasagar University branch to present the bouquet to the Finance Officer of Vidyasagar University, Shri Gautam Pal. Now we would like to welcome all the dignitaries with the short presentation. Our respected ZM sir will present the shawl to Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty. Next, our ZM sir will also felicitate our MD and CEO sir on this occasion with the shawl. I call Debashish sir, Deputy Zonal Head of Hubli Zonal Office, to present the shawl to Joint Petition MD sir. Now I will call Shri Hemant sir from Vidyasagar University branch to present the shawl to Gautam Pal. One of our very esteemed customers, Maiti, he wants to present a bouquet to our MD and CEO sir, Shri Atul Kumar Goyal.
Now I would like to request the Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University and our MD and CEO sir to inaugurate the planting of sapling.
The sapling will be planted and there will be a signage also that you will very please hold it.
Thank you, sir. Now we would now request our respected zonal head, sir, Shri Gautam Sarkar, to deliver the welcome address. Good morning. We are extremely pleased and honored to have with us the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vidyasagar University, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty, Honorable Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, UCO Bank, Sri Atul Kumar Goyal, respected Registrar, Vidyasagar University, Dr. Jayanto Kishore Nondi, respected Finance Officer, Vidyasagar University, Sri Gautam Pal, other esteemed persons on and off the dais, and my colleagues of Team Hooghly. On behalf of Hooghly Zone, I am extremely pleased to welcome you all to today's special event where we all have assembled for a ceremonial delivery of the bank-sponsored vehicle to Vidyasagar University. Our association with Vidyasagar University is right since the inception of UCO Bank, Vidyasagar University branch, since 31st March 1988. It is a very long relationship of almost 33 years and we truly cherish this. We take this opportunity to sincerely thank the authorities of the university for their continual patronage and support to us. Our bank genuinely values this bond, which has got strengthened gradually and stood the test of time. We would like to take this opportunity to convey our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty, for gracing this event with his distinguished presence. Your constant support and cooperation has certainly enabled us to foster our relationship. We would like to convey our sincere thanks to Honorable MD and CEO, Sir Sri Atul Kumar Goel, for his assent in sponsoring the bus to Vidyasagar University. Without his approval, today's event would never be a reality. Sir, we are immensely glad to have you amongst us today. Your gracious and dignified presence has certainly given this event an extraordinary dimension. We would like to thank Dr. Jayanto Kishore Nondi, the Registrar of Vidyasagar University, for his support and cooperation with us in every possible manner, which has helped us in many ways. We are thankful to you for your presence in today's event. We would also thank Sri Gautam Pal, the Finance Officer of Vidyasagar University, for his proactive cooperation on regular basis, which has helped us to a large extent to render our daily customer service to the university and its associated persons. We are thankful to you for your presence in this event. We are also thankful to all the esteemed guests on and off the dais whose presence has made today's event a grand success. With these words, I conclude my welcome address.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I would now request our Honorable MD and CEO, sir, to deliver his address.
सुप्रभात। आजकर ई अनुष्ठाने अगता सकल के अमर हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागता जानिए। गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबॉडी। ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रंजन चक्रवर्ती जी, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर जयंत किशोर नंदी, फाइनेंस ऑफिसर Sri Gautam Pal, and my Zonal Head Hooghly, Mr. Gautam Sarkar, and the Deputy Zonal Head, Mr. Devashish Mukherjee, and also the Branch Head, Mr. Hemant Kumar, and all the officials from the university and from my UCO team and dear UCOites. Once again, very warm welcome all of you. It is really my proud privilege, great opportunity for me, and a great honor. I am the part of this event and I am addressing this August gathering. And UCO Bank, it is a proud of the UCO Bank and imagine of the, because we have the association with the Vidyasagar University. Not only proud, and it is the fortunate for the UCO Bank, which I want to say, the association with the Vidyasagar University. This university was created in 1981, and within the 4 or 5 years, they have started 5 or 6 postgraduate program within 85 or 86. The name of the university is on the name of Pandit Ishwarchand Vidyasagar. If we see the history of the Ishwarchand Vidyasagar, he was the great scholar. He was the great social reform reformer, social activist, and he has tried whole his life for upliftment of the women empowerment. And I am really happy the university has always stood up on the values of this great scholar, and on which the name of the university has been done. I was just seeing the mission of the university also. The mission of the university to provide the highest level of the education to the society, not only education and the knowledge as well as the progress. The great mission the university has had, and they are providing the great education to all the society of the country. And as far as the UCO Bank is concerned, I will give the little background of the UCO Bank also, although Professor must have been knowing. This is the great bank, Professor, this is the great bank founded in 1943 by the great visionary Ghanshyam Das Birla. Today we are having 3,086 branches, more than 2,500 ATMs, more than 3,500 BCs. So if you consolidate all, today we are having more than 10,000 touch points all over the country. We are having the business of more than 3 lakh crore with a composition of more than 2 lakh crore deposit and more than 1,15,000 crore of the advances. And in this great business which we are having as on date more than 3 lakh crore, the great contribution of the Vidyasagar University is also there, because I was told if I see the performance of the branch, they are having the business of around 200 crore, more than 200 crore. 60 or 78% the business of the branch is coming from the university only. So I am grateful of the university to have the association with the UCO Bank. And I may tell you, Professor, this is a great bank. In last 2 years, there is a lot of transformation in the bank, and there is a today, UCO Bank has the prime name in the banking industries. And we are showing the good growth of the business and good growth of the profitability also. The first motto of the UCO Bank is to provide best to best customer service to its customer, either it is a university, either it is a very small customer, either it is a big customer. As the responsible bank, UCO Bank is providing all type of service to the society, and UCO Bank is also committed. UCO Bank is also committed for our corporate social responsibility, and in this initiative, today we are providing one bus to the university as a part of the corporate social responsibility. And I am sure with this small initiative which we are providing as a great appreciation to the university for their great work, it will definitely help to the student of the university, particularly from the background communities as well as from the tribal area. So this will be a good use of the corporate social responsibility which we are providing. As far as university is doing, university, I have seen all the activities of the university. University is doing the great job in the able guidance of Mr. Ranjan Chakravarti. And I am of the view, because although you are doing very good job for the society also, for the country also, and I hope in future this university will be renowned as one of the best university of the country, and it will be the preferred institution to get the admission from the student side. With this word, once again, thank you to Professor Chakravarti also, and to my all team also, and to my branch manager of the university branch. And only one thing I would like to tell, whatever demand from the customer side, that is the responsibility of all the UCOites, and my request all my UCOites who are present here, please try to hear what is their demand and try to accomplish this. I may tell you, Professor Saab, we are providing all type of services, as I told you, either it is a home loan, either it is a car loan, either it is a loan to the university or loan to the corporate also. Even we are making lot of efforts for transformation of the IT, because IT is the future of the banking industry in times to come. The bank who will not adapt the IT industry, banking industry will remain there, bank will not. So we have taken a lot of steps also. Today I am happy to advise you, whether you are aware or not, it is a social, on the social media, the mobile banking of the UCO Bank is the one of the best mobile app among the all public sectors. It was ranked third, but on the third there was no public sector, there was a private sector. So my request to all of you, please try to use all the alternate delivery channel of the UCO Bank, whether it is a mobile banking, whether it is a RTGS, whether it is a NEFT, whether it is a e-banking, whatever it is available to. My request to all of you, please use and please demand from the bank what you want. So once again, my deep appreciation to the Vice Chancellor and the university also. And as I told, once again I am repeating, in times to come, this university will be renowned as one of the best university, and it should be the preferred center for education for all the students. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable address. I would now like to request Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty, to deliver his address.
Mr. Atul Kumar Goyal ji, the respected MD and CEO of UCO Bank, Mr. Gautam Sarkar, the Zonal Head, Hooghly, UCO Bank, our Registrar, Dr. Jayanto Kishore Nandi, our Finance Officer, Mr. Gautam Pal, the Manager of UCO Bank, Vidyasagar University, Mr. Hemant Kumar Jha ji, my respected officials, teachers, students, other officials of UCO Bank who are present in the audience, my staff, the workers at different levels at Vidyasagar University, research scholars, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. I extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Goyal. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Goyal, for coming to our university and coming to this branch located at a remote corner of West Bengal. This is a left-wing, used to be a left-wing extremism affected area once upon a time. And here the students and the customers you are catering to, many of them belong to the weaker sections of the society. Many of them belong to the Adivasi community, the scheduled caste community, OBC community, and many of our students who study here, including the research scholars, about 20% of them are first generation learners, and about 30% belong to the SC, ST, OBC community. So this is a great job, great service being done by the UCO Bank. This is the 33rd year of our relationship, and I am sure that this will grow further, and UCO Bank will remain with us as one of our most important major bankers in the years to come. And this is a very significant moment in the history of UCO Bank, this particular branch, in the history of this particular branch. I am here for 10 years, for a decade, more than a decade. I have never seen MD coming over personally. I have never seen. Last time when the bigger bus was donated to Vidyasagar University under the corporate social responsibility scheme, the MD could not come. I knew MD, the then MD, Mr. Cole, Arun Cole, personally I knew him, and I also requested him personally, and he delivered the bus, but due to his engagements, he could not make it to the university campus. You have to understand that this is a very significant moment in the history of the university as well as UCO Bank. He is the national head of a very important bank, and UCO Bank is currently one of the top banks in the country. Despite his busy schedule, he has come to the university, he has come to inaugurate this event, and I would like to personally thank him very much. I am grateful to him. I had to write a few letters giving my feedback. Just now he said that you have to demand. So as a kind of feedback, I wrote a few letters to him. I tried to convince him about the importance of this particular branch because it is a university branch located in the campus, and we always try to accommodate the requests which come from the manager, be it electric supply, air conditioner, whatever, or Wi-Fi, whatever you need for logistical support, please feel free to tell us, we will extend them. And the university, Vidyasagar University, is doing very well during the last 5-6 years. In the Outlook India rating, we have been placed among the first 100 universities in the country. Our rank is 55. Our national ranking is 55. This is the latest ranking we received. And in the first NIRF ranking in 2015, we featured among the first 100 universities. Our rank was 87. And last year, in the Times of India ranking, we featured at the 24th place among the public universities. So this university is doing extremely well. Particularly, we have been able to develop a state-of-the-art infrastructure in the campus. And our academic commitments are also realized. They are yielding results gradually, and we are undertaking good research works, including the research work in the field of environmental studies and also in the field of remote sensing. We have got several projects, national projects, to monitor the movement of fish in the high seas. And there are many other programs coming up, and NAC accreditation is down the corner, and we believe that in the next ranking we shall get higher grades. And all these are possible with the help of all the stakeholders who collectively work in the campus. You are also one of our stakeholders. I believe UCO Bank always think that this is your university, this is your home, and you are working for the benefit of the society, because bank, like a university, has a social responsibility for social upliftment. Bank can be an instrument for social development. Bank can pump credit. It can increase earning of citizens. So I would like to particularly thank Mr. Goel and all his colleagues here, Mr. Sarkar, and all the colleagues in the UCO Bank University branch. And my special thanks to Mr. Goel for doing the necessary work for the delivery of this vehicle, which was long overdue, I believe. Thank you very much. Finally, we are receiving it, and it will be used for the betterment of the university, and it will be dedicated to the service of the university only. So with these words, I thank you all. Thank you very much for coming here, because in the COVID protocol, we are not to prolong the program. So there will be no more speakers. I think someone should give the formal vote of thanks. There will be no more speakers. We are already running late. So with these words, I give my regards to all of you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening address. And it is indeed a very historical moment, and we are privileged to be witnessing it today here. And now I would request our MD and CEO, sir, and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University to go ahead with the delivery of the tea. Yes. With the delivery of the tea. Now I would request all of you, sir, to proceed towards the vehicle for inauguration and ribbon cutting. Sure. And I'll call our Deputy Zonal Head, Shri Debashish Mukherjee, to present the vote of thanks.
A very warm good morning to all of you present here. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who worked very hard to make this day possible. On behalf of the entire UCO family, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Ranjan Chakraborty, who has spent his busiest time to grace this occasion and has constantly supported us. I would also like to thank Sri Jayanto Kumar Nundi, Registrar of VU, and I would also like to thank Mr. Gautam Pal, Finance Officer, Vidyasagar University. I would like to thank and acknowledge Sri Atul Kumar Goyal, our MD CEO of UCO Bank, who has always been a source of inspiration for all of us, and without his blessings this event would not have been possible. I must acknowledge the tireless endeavor of Sri Gautam Sarkar, our ZM Hooghly, who despite repeated obstacles never gave up, and finally his success could be measured by the fact that today we are standing here. I must acknowledge the efforts of my dear colleague and friend and brother Mr. Hemant Kumar Jha, branch head of our Vidyasagar University branch, who never wavered and continued his struggle with grace and humility. I must acknowledge the efforts of Mr. Sujata Kumari, branch head of Midnapur, and all the staff members of Vidyasagar University at Midnapur branch, who has made this event a resounding success. And finally, I thank the professors, lecturers, students of all those of this university who has chose to be associated with us and patronize us. Thank you all.
Now we will all proceed towards the vehicle for the ribbon cutting ceremony and inauguration of the vehicle.
সম্ভব চলে যাচ্ছে নিজের কাছে বলুন স্যার চলে গেছে জায়গা মতো নিয়ে আসিস, কী অসুবিধা হয় বলতে দিকে একজনকে থাকলে সে সেখানে বারবার বলছি ক্যামেরাটা কাছে নিয়ে চলে।
चालिए सामने
ये तो हटाना पड़ेगा।
सॉरी है
आपको सदाबहार है
तो सर सुपर हिट सुपर हिट।
ये हमारे बड़े भाई हैं, सब इनका देश है, इनका आशीर्वाद है। वो आए जिनके मालूम हाँ नो डाउट उनका बिना पेट्रोनेस के बिना उनका सपोर्ट बाबरे मानना पड़ेगा। मैं तो बोलता हूँ वो हार मानने वाले पार्टी है उनका इतना दिखता हूँ मैं। ছবি তো তুলে
তাহলে সাথে রাখি যাবে এই জায়গাটা গাইতে এই 300
আপনারাই বলে যাবেন সব ছবি আছে পাসপোর্ট আছে রিপোর্টার এই সংখ্যা 22টা দুজন
আসছে আসছে
আগে ছিল
ঠিক আছে এবার বন্ধ করে দিতে না এখানে ঘুরে নিয়ে আসবে দাঁড়ান ঘুরে নিয়ে আসবে তারপর হেঁটে দিয়ে আসবে এইদিকে এইদিকে এটা দেখি এদিকে ঘুরিয়ে না ইউকো ব্যাংকের থেকে কখন যাবো কী করবো এইবারে চলে আসুন মলয় থাকে মলয় থাকে হ্যাঁ দেখি দাও